Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss worksheet number 3 of class 9th mathematics, and the topic is exponent. Exponent means how many number of times a number is multiplied by itself. For example, you have a number 2 raised to the power 3. Here this 2 is the base and this 3 is exponent. That means we are going to multiply 2 3 times. How many times we are going to multiply 2? We have to multiply this number 3 times because the power is 3. The exponent is 3. So now you have understood the meaning of exponents. Exponents is number of times a number is multiplied by itself. Now let's discuss some laws of exponents. First law of exponents is a to the power x dot a to the power y. That means in multiplication the base is same. Here the base is same, so you have to add the exponents. What is the base here? A is the base here in both the numbers. The base is same, and here we are going to add the exponents. So 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3, it will be equal to 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3, that is equal to 2 to the power 5. And now the number becomes 32. That means we are going to multiply 2 5 times here. Based on this law, we have one question here: 5 raised to the power 3, 5 raised to the power 2. Here we are going to add the two exponents. 5 raised to the power 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5 raised to the power 5, and the number becomes 3125. Getting this point? Now the next law of exponent is in division the base is same, a raised to the power x and a raised to the power y. Here the exponents will be subtracted, a raised to the power x minus y. On base of this law, here one example is given. Base is same and the exponent is different, so here it will be 2 raised to the power 5 minus 3, and the number becomes 4. Here one question is given. This is the same question based on this law. So what we will write here: 23 raised to the power 3 minus 2, that is equal to 23 raised to the power 1, that is equal to the number itself, because the power is 1. In our next law, a raised to the power x whole bracket exponent y. That means here the two exponents are going to be multiplied. Let's see the example. 2 raised to the power 2 whole bracket 3. It will become 2 into 3. The power becomes 6 now, and that equals to 64. One question is given based on this law: 5 raised to the power 2 into 3. This becomes 5 raised to the power 6, and the value is equal to 15,625. That means you have to multiply 5 6 times. In our next law of exponent, a by b raised to the power x, here the exponent is common and the base are different. A in numerator is different, b in the denominator is different. So you are going to distribute the exponents over the numerator and denominator separately. And here in this example, we have distributed 4 over the 2 and 3 in numerator and denominator separately. So the number becomes 16 upon 81. Let's implement this in the given question. Write this exponent separately: 2 raised to the power 4 and in the denominator 3 raised to the power 4, and the value is equals to 16 divided by 81. What we have done here? We have multiplied 2 4 times in the numerator and 3 4 times in the denominator, and we are getting this value here. In our next law of exponent, what is given? The two base are different, a raised to the power x into b raised to the power x. The number is given in multiplication and the base are different, but you can see here the exponent is same. What we will do here, we will take the exponent common and we will multiply the two bases. Let's see this in the example. What we have done, the two same exponents are taken common here. 3 we have taken common here. 2 into 3 is 6, so it will become 6 raised to the power 3 and the value is equal to 216. Let's implement this law in the given question. Here you can see the exponent is common, the value is same, that is given 7. So now let's multiply 3 into 2 and take the exponent common, that the value is 7 here, and when you multiply 6 7 times, the value you obtained is 2,79,936. Okay, getting this, what we have done here, 3 into 2 we have multiplied this, taking the same exponent 6 to the power 7. When you multiply 6 7 number of times, you will get this value. I hope these laws of exponents are clear to you. And now there are another two laws given. Any number raised to the power 0, that is always equal to 1. You have to remember this law. That means if we take any number, that is 5 raised to the power 0, it will always be 1. How? The explanation is given here. 5 raised to the power 0. 0 means you subtract any number, 2 minus 2, you will get 0. So I can write 5 raised to the power 0 equal to 5 raised to the power 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. And now on the right hand side, I can write this 5 raised to the power 2. This negative power, this comes in the denominator and it will become positive. So when you divide a number by itself, it becomes 1. So 5 raised to the power 0 is 1, and you have to remember this law always. When any number is raised to the power 0, it equals to 1. And the second law is a raised to the power minus x. When any number raised to the power negative, it becomes 1 upon a raised to the power x. That means that power becomes positive when it goes to the denominator. So now here in this example, 2 raised to the power minus 3, it can be written as 1 upon 2 to the power 3. That means that negative power, when it goes in the denominator, it becomes positive. How it becomes positive? Here the explanation is given. 2 raised to the power minus 3, it can be written as 2 to the power 0 minus 3. We can write this numerator and denominator separately like this. 2 to the power 0, just separate it out. 2 to the power 3, because it is going in the denominator, so it is getting a positive value. And 2 to the power 0, it can be written as 1 upon 2 to the power 3. So getting this point, what we have done there, what we have done here, 2 to the power minus 3, it can be simply written as 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3. The power has become positive now. Now let's implement all these laws in the given question. Here in the question number 1, 99 raised to the power 0. Any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. You will write answer 1. In the second question, 7 raised to the power minus 2, it can be written as 1 upon 7 to the power 2. 1 upon 7 to the power 2, this is equal to 1 upon 7 square is 49. 7 sevens are 49. In the question number 3, any number raised to the power 0. We are not interested in looking at this number, this complicated number, we are not interested to check this. We are just looking at any number raised to the power 0, this is equal to 1. So I hope this is clear to you. And in our question number 4, just see the power is negative. We want to make this positive. What we will do? We will check this law. We will simply write 1 upon that number to make the power positive. So what we will write? 1 upon 3 upon 5 raised to the power 2, and that is equal to 1 upon 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. This is 1 divided by 9 upon 25, and the value is, let's bring this into multiplication form. Reverse the number, 25 by 9, 1 into this is equal to 25 by 9. So the answer is 25 upon 9. I hope you have understood the worksheet. With this question, our worksheet is complete. You just mention your name on the top and submit it to your class teacher. And if you have understood the explanation, if you like the explanation, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. And if you have any queries, kindly mention it in the comment box. Thank you.